Number 10.
The cordless belt sander Proxxon BS-A is a battery version of the compact problem solver from the Proxxon Micromont system. In addition to a fast charger and long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the set includes 4 sanding belts in 2 different grits. Thanks to the powerful lithium-ion battery, the belt sander BS-A is immediately ready for use and makes working even easier. The high-quality 10.8-volt lithium-ion battery with its strong 2.6 ampere-hours is equipped with outstanding technological features. Thanks to the fast charge function, the tool is ready to use within 1 hour. Such as electronic cell protection and temperature monitoring to prevent overheating of the battery. The BS-A is excellent for many different types of sanding work, especially in really tight spaces. The belt speed is variably adjustable, easily providing a sanding speed of 200 to 700 meters per minute. The BS-A is particularly suited for mobile use. Changing batteries also allows continuous work too. Importantly, the batteries are interchangeable with any other tool from the Proxxon cordless tool system. At the push of a button, the grinding arm tilts through 60 degrees and can be easily adjusted at the desired angle, making it extremely flexible in use. The accessories from Proxxon's corded tools will also fit on the rest of our standard tools. In this way, you can continue to use any accessories you may have already. If you have another cordless tool as a complete set, the IBS-A, as well as the battery and the rapid charger, can also be purchased separately, saving duplication of cost. The cordless belt sander Proxxon BS-A, greatest power for mobile use. Proxxon tools with character.
Number 9.
This is the DEWALT DCF 620 XR collated screw gun. It's all compatible on the 18-volt platform, so anything from 2 amp hour to 5 amp hour. And as in the normal circumstances with these collated screws, they're all screws in a plastic strip. We literally slide up the guide plate into the mechanism and through, and we just leave it 1 hole short of where we want to fire into. We have the indentations and markings for the relevant size screws. We just literally push the release lock and slide the end in or out until the little silver indent slots in to the relative size screw. After that, all we need to make sure is we have it in forward or reverse, so we're driving the screws in, we need to go forward, and away we go. What happens if we then drive in a screw that doesn't quite drive all the way home, or misaligns, comes out and has a slight misfire? Very, very simple with the DEWALT. All we literally do is remove the end. We can choose forward or reverse, and quite literally, we can take the screws back out again. Or similarly, if they were stuck out, we can drive them in. How about this for a scenario? We're working on a job, we're miles from anywhere, we go to a local store and we can't get any collated screws. All we can buy is loose. Well, that doesn't mean that this piece of kit from DEWALT is useless. All we simply have to do is take another couple of fittings out of the box. We'll literally take the long screwdriver bit out, and in the box, included in the kit, is a magnetic bit, which is a lot shorter. And this works in conjunction with the single feed end, to use single screws. You can put it on, and as you can see, it's got a lock. For lock and for open, that's taking it off and on. And also we have a depth of screw, how far you drive it in. Another use for this end nozzle is when guys are putting up stud walling, metal stud like we have here, screws generally come as individuals, they're not collated. So yet again, this screwdriver can be used for all applications from start to finish of drywalling. That when we want to change to collated screws, we can undo the end, pull it off, push this in to pull our small screwdriver bit out, put the long bit in, put the end on. It comes in a T-stack kit box. We can take all our components, we can put them in the box, It takes a spare battery, it takes the charger, there's even a position to take the spare screwdriver in. There's no need to dismantle it. All we literally do, take the screws out, put it in, and we can lock and go.
Number 8.
If you're a professional who wants to make sure nothing slows you down, you need a nailer that has the power to deliver non-stop nailing. The new Paslode Cordless XP framing system delivers, with the power to handle your workload in a system that handles the elements. With 15% more power, the Cordless XP framer drives nails flush, less standing nails for more productivity. This kind of power drives nails into harder woods, even LVLs, without a problem. And with the new all-season formula framing fuel, the XP keeps working even when the temperature dips as low as 14 degrees. For high-quality jobs, better productivity, and more profit, pros choose Paslode.
Number 7.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion oscillating tool, PCC710B, part of the new growing linked system of high-performance tools. Featuring the patent-pending tool-free blade change system, makes accessory changes quick and easy. A variable speed dial delivers 8,000 to 18,000 oscillations per minute for optimized performance and control. This tool features a comfortable 3-position overmold, allowing users to work with less vibration and fatigue. A powerful LED work light brightens dark work areas and includes 20 assorted cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding accessories. 20-volt Max Compact and Max Pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the Compact and the Max Pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt Max Oscillating tool delivers performance, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt Max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt Max.
Number 6.
Break down sheet goods with precision, power, and speed without the cord. The 18-volt X2 LXT 36-volt brushless 6.5-inch plunge saw. It's powered by two 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. When used with a rail system, this cordless plunge saw is more portable than a table saw and lets you bring the saw to the work. Use it for breaking down wood panels or select from Makita's range of blades for cutting melamine, MDF, aluminum, and corian.
Breaking down sheet goods with this, with the combination of this track and the 9-foot track, it was a breeze. It made handling the sheets and cutting things very easy.
The efficient brushless motor is engineered for longer runtime, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. With up to 125 linear feet of cutting on a single charge, you can forget about being tied to a cord. It has a large cutting capacity with bevel capability from -1 degree to 48 degrees and 2 positive stops. Automatic speed change technology adjusts the cutting speed and power under load, so you get optimum performance cut after cut. Added features include a variable speed control dial that lets you adjust the speed to the application. Soft start means no kick at startup, and the electric brake is engineered for added convenience.
The power's better than any track saw I've really ever used. We were running up and down the sheets and there was no lack in power, because quite honestly, if it has a cord on it these days, I don't really want it.
It's compatible with Makita's fast-charging 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. LXT is one system compatible with over 175 solutions.
Number 5. 4.
Introducing the power and versatility of the all-new OnePlus 18-volt bolt cutter from Ryobi. Skip the fatigue of manual bolt cutters. With over 200 cuts on a single battery charge, its hot forged steel jaws open to 3/8 of an inch to power through the toughest of materials. Separating forward and reverse buttons for precise jaw control and quick repetitive cuts, which makes this the ideal tool for cutting chain, locks, fencing, wire shelving, and more. And with its innovative design and clear sightline to the cut area, you'll never miss your mark. The new Ryobi 18-volt bolt cutter joins the family of over 100 OnePlus tools that all work with any OnePlus battery.
Number 3.
The SID4 is a really exciting product for us. It's actually one of the fastest selling cordless products we have. What customers really tell us is that they really like the ergonomics. They like the way the tool feels in their hand.
I'm Chad with Crawford Mechanical. I've been with Crawford 12 years. Everybody likes it. Fits in my hand real well. I mean, it's easy to hold. The battery and head weight are about the same.
What I like about the Hilti Impact is the weight of it. It's very lightweight.
It wears you down working overhead, so it's nicer to have lighter tools, the proper tools.
It's got better ergonomics. That means that they're going to get that much more done in a day because they're not going to get as tired.
Definitely like the lights, because plenty of times I'm up in a dark area in the ceiling grid or where there's just not a lot of lights on.
So the compact battery just affords the customer an opportunity to have a lighter tool where he doesn't need a big gas tank, but just needs something lighter for a lot of overhead.
It's full charge. This thing lasts us about, on what we do, and we use a lot of power, torque, all day into the next day.
It's a durable tool, has 3 speed settings, so if you don't want to over torque something, you can throttle it down.
We're the only cordless manufacturer that offers a 22-in-1 warranty. So 20 years of manufacturer's defects, we're covered. 2 years wear and tear coverage that includes batteries and chargers. No other manufacturer can even come close to that offer.
We use them every day, all day long, with minimal maintenance and 0 downtime.
Anybody that's installing screws into heavy or light gauge steel, this is the tool to use.
Number 2.
The D handle has a lot of power, quickly tightens up all connections. We haven't run into any applications that this tool could not handle.
I was pretty surprised that a cordless tool could have this much power, this much torque. It's definitely on par with the pneumatics, but it doesn't have any of the setup time. The runtime with the 1-inch D handle is great. You can definitely work all day with 1 or 2 batteries.
Everything's cordless. Take a couple of batteries with you, you're set for the day.
With it being the world's first cordless D handle, there's no setup time. I don't have to set up air hoses. I don't have to have a noisy compressor on the job. It's just the battery and the tool.
You don't have to drag the cord up and cords get caught in the little wedges of the beam. Then you got to go back and untangle it. Here, this goes right with you.
It eliminates a lot of the issues we've had in the past. Milwaukee is really innovating in the cordless industry.
You get so much power in a package that you can carry with 2 hands.
Number 1.